Okay guys, we got a 98 Ranger here. The problem is the idle is surging pretty high, especially when you come to shift or to slow down at a stop sign or something, or a stoplight, and you pull it out of gear. It seems to be fine when you're driving. As soon as you pull it out of gear, the idle's real high and you can't figure out why. Of course, you want to check common things like vacuum leaks and such. But one of the first things that you want to look at is pull this boot off. I have it off. By the way, this is also for 98, 99 Ford Taurus and 98, 99, 2000 Ford Ranger with the 3.0s. So look inside here. If there's a hole, this is a quick fix I did for now. If there is a hole in there on your throttle body on this plate, then that plug has fallen out and fell down inside your intake somewhere, and that keeps sucking air. We simply just threaded a screw into it, a wood screw in it for now, temporary fix until we can get another butterfly or another throttle body. And we've already taken her for a drive and she's running perfect now. The idle's back to normal. So check that out. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.